Richie Feelings, the great selector, have prophesied that my song Neko will not make it into September. I want them to you. Yo, you carry some pussy feelings, my youth. What kind of thing that you gonna say? Oh, you mean my song not gonna make it till September? Amari is very smart, you know. In case you haven't done the arithmetic, it's only a certain proportion of the world have heard Neko so far. You understand? When them get tired of it, another country, another portion, another country. What the fuck are you saying? Talking about school gonna open so people gonna forget Neko? No, a school, it a go spread stronger than the coronavirus. So go back and do your arithmetic. You forget send me a DJ too, you know. You forget send me a DJ for over 20 years, Richie. You understand? In a young little boy compared to me, you know, me I'm 51 years old. Me don't know how old you is. But me then at the music industry from my yai there my knee. And me I prophesy to you and tell you say December Neko just out. Because me not do half of the promotion yet. In David, me not start the promotion yet, you know. And Neko I carry itself. Africa have yet to hear new Neko full impact. You understand? Europe just a catch on. So, what are you saying, Richie? Richie, this time you're wrong. And when I try for sure, you know, say, all who feel say them professional are going to realize say them are idiot. Because y'all cannot predict God. You cannot predict Amari. Because I'm fucking mysterious. You understand? What the fuck are you talking about? You think this is manpower? Or what you know call God? When you know call God is something that don't even exist. But when you know see me, you know shall see God. Because I shall endure in this industry. You know hear one of them no call it dead. You know how much man left me and never look back? Cause them say me done. You know how much I know, how much fans left me. Cause them say me now go nowhere. And everybody have to turn back. You shall take back those words, Mr. Feelings. Because you know why Amari gonna last? Cause Amari have 1,000,001 personality. And when you feel that, you finally know Amari, you realize that she's a mad blood clot bitch. You realize, you thought you know Amari, but you don't know Amari. And you have to realize, Amari have no song under her belt. That may I agree with you about. That you are saying that I'm trying to make myself relevant and that I'm smart. But forget about that. People don't know so me have the hits them under my belt. But I prophesy to you that December, Neko, hotter than hot. Do the arithmetic. Cold, warm, hot. You have to study the universe to understand Amari. Neko was cool. Neko put on for 3 years in a freezer. Nobody never pay Neko no mind. That's why you have an old video version of Neko. All the pitney them grew up since Neko put out. So it was cool. You catch it when it's warm. Neko I go dive, go so like submarine. You go wonder whatever happened to Neko and then Neko just emerge. Because I move like a submarine. I know everything people for see. I know everything people for know. You just have to come like that upon them. Like a ghost. Richie, you know I love you, you know. But your prophecy wrong. You have yet to get Neko dub plate. You think so me can get steel? At 13 blood clot pitney me push out. And the pussy still young. You understand it now? Steal forget steal. And none of my songs will ever be steal. You never listen to some song we can't get still. Like you listen to Marvin Gaye, Sexual Healing. Sexual Healing ever still. Neko cannot get still, so deal with it. You cannot escape from Neko. Cannot. This fuck deep. People only gonna stand back and watch to see the outcome. I'm not telling us you're not gonna call me a Jamaica for your award and I'm not gonna turn up. You forget. When Amari land in a Jamaica, don't forget, you know, when Neko take off, an earthquake come at Jamaica. I come with earthquake, lightning, and fucking thunder. Me not joke with pussy. Me not friend no one. All when the whole industry turn against me, I don't care a fuck. Me used to go school, you know, I'm in a class with 40 students and nobody not chat to me. And me take a science test and the science teacher when I like me, coming at the classroom and she said, one person passed the test and that is me, Venice Fong Chong. So Richie, straight up may I tell you, man, if you want to get your dick sucked, please kindly ask for it. But don't sit down there and think you can predict my destiny. No, you cannot. You will not. I don't care how much you love Amari. You will never figure me out. Not even my blood clot PR will lock me up. Can't figure me out. You think some PR would have locked me up if him the thing say me have a hit? You know do the arithmetic now? You not hear what Jesus say? What Jesus said, David? Jesus said, I shall come like a thief in the fucking night. You know, you see what my label name? Phantom, Fireworks, Record, Label. I'm my own producer, own songwriter, own singer, own promoter, and my own distributor. Where the blood clot stop me? Me focus on one artist from my roster, and that is fucking Amari. What to stop me? It's not like me as a producer and me give an artist a chance and me see him one turn around and kill off that the artist for send to another artist. What to stop me? Plus me is a blood clot radio DJ. So if you not plan to stop me music, me I go have my own blood clot station online. So the whole blood clot world listen. A 14 blood clot page me up on Facebook. Me not put one thing me promise myself. So me not put my life in a no man's hand. Because the arms of flesh will fail you. You dare not trust your fucking own. Me never wait for nobody discover me. Go on my Facebook and blood clot read that shit. Me never wait for none of you discover me. So what will stop me? Age never stop me. 13 pitney never stop me. Accident never stop me. Poverty never stop me. One thing me will tell you. No matter what, Neko will forever be the queen. This much I will tell you though, that's the biggest song for 2020. The biggest, the baddest, the boldest, the best. I will forever be grateful to God Almighty for Neko. Of course, no for go follow. But any stage show, it shall be Neko. The people them are shout for. Now the guy will interview you or where you not talk to. The guy tell you, say anyhow the COVID nana gone, Amari would be the artist biggest thing when it comes to performing at show. But you know not do the arithmetic. Me show